family. I'm not even sure exactly where I am today, but these are my surroundings. And this is supposed to be a crater lake, but I don't think it is. It's not round. It doesn't look like a quote unquote impact of any kind of crater. And so, yeah, I'm not entirely sure what this place is, but it's gorgeous. What do you think? That's my son. He and Chow Chow came with me again today. I think this is going to be our Tuesday ritual or get together. Yeah, so that way we're not stuck in the house 24/7 and we're out enjoying nature. And I'm taking my shoes off so that way I can get some grounding in. This red clay, I bet, is really good for that. As we sit here and reflect, we've got some real nice clouds today. Fluffy, beautiful. Chow Chow's with us again. Chow Chow, make your camera debut. Chow Chow. Oh, I guess it's not her camera debut, but there she is. There's the Chowzers. She was over there in the lake. You want to see something real cool? This is all rocks, so I'm going to put my shoes back on because I haven't walked on rocks since I was a kid. So, alright, I'm going to show you this. It's kind of weird because I've never seen something like this before, but every lake that I've been to here in Oklahoma, you think that this is mud, right? But it's not. It's all hard. Even out there past the water plants of whatever sort they are, that's all hard. It's all hard rock. And I guess it's because the clay is dense, so it all is like this underneath. Every lake that I've been to is like that. Now, I don't know if when you go further into the lake, if it gets to be a soft, muddy bottom, like I'm used to back in Pennsylvania. I'm not sure. But I thought that was one of the weirdest things. It's like, it's all concrete. It's not actually concrete. It's the clay and the water. And I guess at one point in time, it must have been below water level and able to bake and be dry like these. I'm not entirely sure, and I thought it was a fluke. But the more lakes that I see, the more I realize that I think it's a feature. So that's pretty cool. And I'm really we're both here because we had trying weeks at work, and we needed the nature. We needed God. And so here we are outside. This is our church. And we're very thankful to the Father for creating such beauty that we can appreciate and be outside in it. I'm personally thankful for the next moves that are coming in my life. This is one of my last weeks, or this is absolutely my last month in Oklahoma. So you get a couple more videos like this from me. But after that, it's on the road again, and I'll be heading east. Not going to Pennsylvania, but I will stop and say hi to family. Got a couple of things that I got to take care of, but that's not my final resting place. I'm only going to be there for maybe a week. My final resting place is going to be so cool. And I'm not going to tell you guys until I get there, so that way you can guess. But I know that it's going to be more adventures over there and gorgeous sights. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm very thankful for it. And I'm also thankful for my father, like my physical earth father, my I want to say sperm donor, but he was way more than a sperm donor, but y'all know what I mean. He's gonna help me move back home, and he's gonna help me get my truck fixed. And well, not back home. I'm not moving back to Pennsylvania, but I am moving, and he knows where I'm moving, and he's gonna help me, and he's gonna also help me get my truck fixed. So that's pretty kick-ass. Me and my dad haven't always had the best of a relationship, but he's always been there for me, and you know, distance makes the heart grow fonder. I don't know, but he's definitely gonna look out for me and my son. So that's pretty cool. I'm very thankful for that. I don't know if y'all can see, but I guess not. Across the lake there is some sort of building right on the lake. It's kind of neat. Anyway, I'm gonna stop chatting your ears off. We're not going to do much walking. It's really hot. The sun is high, and Chow Chow's not got her water, even though she drank out of the lake. But we're not going to do much walking. We're just going to sit here for a little while, take in some nature, and give thanks to the Father for allowing us another day to come to one of these beautiful places. So with all that being said, I love you all. Have a terrific Tuesday. Remember to stay grateful. 3 things in the very least. In the very, very least. Be grateful for 3 things. And stay blessed. Okay, YouTube family, I said we wouldn't be showing a lot of walking, but there are some things that, you deserve to see. And right now you are looking at this crazy thing. It's a plant. It's really thick, kind of fuzzy and spiky all at the same time. And for whatever reason, Chow Chow has taken to sniffing every one of them. Does anybody know what it is and perhaps why? She seems to like this plant best. Yeah, just let me know in the comment section below if you've got a guess or actual knowledge. Thanks. I'll be back in these too. I'm not sure what kind of desert flower this is, but it's gorgeous. And to me, it looks like it's glowing in the sunlight, just like that purple one. This is just a peach pink color. So if anybody has got any ideas as to what kind of flower this might be, I'm down for suggestions. All right, I'll be back again, okay?